So just to lead off, my name is Kevin Reid, Assistant Director of IT Applications and Data Division. We support the FBI enterprise-wide with applications from all the way from admin functions, case management, and big data analytics. One of the big things that we have with the current threat environment is really the support and the agility to accommodate threat management, be able to capture complaints, intakes, and source management. And what that really is, it's boiled down to, is really case management for the FBI, the cases we do, all operational folks in the field use. The big part of that, the major component part of that is Sentinel, which you have all heard of. Very successful in the last year. When it first began, there were a lot of problems, but really it's become one of the most agile systems, really utilizing DevOps so far in the government. I think it's pretty much one of the models that we can put if using something on the secret enclave. The time to market is basically monthly with 2-week sprint cycles, and we're very proud of that.
Terrific. What are some of the benefits you think the FBI is seeing out of the Sentinel program? I mean, can you translate it into like real life benefits that are accruing?
Well, so some of the real life benefits are really the ability for investigative folks in the field and analysts to really connect the dots of what's going on, both from criminal, national security, and intelligence matters. The ability to actually get the data, ingest the data so it can commonly be used across 35,000 employees to do their work is really the big benefit that's really being provided.
Yeah, I'm going to guess speed too, and getting the right data to the right people a lot faster than in some of the traditional ways that it was done.
Absolutely.
How about challenges? I would imagine something of that magnitude and scope, there must have been some real interesting challenges you bumped into along the way.
So significant challenges. Some of the challenge that we faced was really just trying to, from a technology perspective, get the organization to understand what an agile development really meant. Being able to bring in users, to get them to really provide the technical folks the requirements, understand what the product was going to come out, how it was going to come out, and how we could roll that into operations in such a short time period with the confidence that they were going to get the accuracy and the quality that they were expecting.
Yeah, I know. I've been following a lot of the agile developments and it's interesting as you talk to different people, the understanding of what is agile development and what it means and those kinds of things. You get sort of different stories from different folks. So I can understand where getting that information mutually agreed to across an organization like the FBI could be somewhat of a challenge. How about some lessons learned? Is there something you'd pass on to some other colleagues and other government folks that are working these big programs, or some of the things that you learned along the way that perhaps you wish someone would have told you?
Well, so I think some of the complexities involved with agile development is really having an environment in place to do agile development. Some folks put timelines in place, expect they're going to roll products out in 2-week cycles without putting the upfront investment in to really be able to successfully provide products. That's one of the big challenges that we found. The other challenges is basically maturing the process so you can get it down to a short enough period of time so you can provide products that are very neat.
Cool. If I ask you to pick like one key to success, what would jump out?
I think the biggest key to success is adoption by our stakeholders to really be part of the process, to really feel as if they're empowered to help deliver the technology that they need to be successful.
Terrific.